Hi there, Ruby here. Today I'll show you how to set up the product add-on, where you can naturally suggest some related products. Customers simply tick the extra items they want, get a discount, and add everything to cart in one click. I'll use the BOGOS app for this tutorial, as it's the top choice for this offer type on Shopify. If you also want to try it, the link to start for free is in the description. Alright, let's go. From the BOGOS sidebar, go to All Offers, then click Create Offer. Choose Upsell, then select Frequently Bought Together as the offer type. First, let's fill in some basics. The upsell name is for internal use within the app only. The upsell title and description are what customers see on the product page, and you can set a start and end time to schedule the offer if needed. Next is the Upsell Trigger. This controls where your upsell offer will show up. There are 5 options available for you to choose from. In this video, I want to give upsell to this pore cleansing oil. Below that, you'll find the Sub-Conditions field, which lets you add advanced targeting rules like first-time buyers, customers from a specific country, or customer tags. If you want the offer open to everyone, just skip this part. Now, head to the Upsell Method section. In the widget type, choose Product Add-On. If you want to explore this frequently bought together style instead, which looks like this, I've linked a separate tutorial in the description. Next, choose how your upsell products are chosen. There are 3 methods. Method 1, Manual. You handpick exactly which products to show. Method 2, Auto. BOGOS pulls recommendations from this free Shopify search and discovery app. Firstly, you need to install this app and set up these 2 fields. Then, in the BOGOS app, you can choose to show complementary products or related products. Next, choose how many upsell products you want to display on your widget. Typically, 3 products work well. Method 3, Random. BOGOS will randomly select and display upsell products from the types, vendors, or collections you choose below. You can also set how many products to show. For this demo, I'll go with Manual and select a few products here. Upsell product quantity. Below is where I decide how quantity works for the upsell items. Choosing Allow customers to change quantity means they can adjust the amount of each upsell product right on the widget with the quantity selector. In your cart, they can freely increase the number of upsell products and keep them discounted. Fixed quantity means customers can't change the quantity on the widget. If you're using Manual, you can set a custom fixed quantity per product. Other methods default to 1. In the cart, customers can increase the quantity, but they have to multiply the product quantity, which depends on the discount part I'll talk about next. Now, to give customers an incentive, enable discount on your upsell products. Under When Trigger Product is removed, choose between. Remove discount means when the customer removes the main product from their cart, the discount is automatically removed from all upsell items. For the multiply logic to work with fixed quantity, the discounted quantity scales with the number of main products in the cart. Secondly, keep discount means the discount stays on the upsell items, even without the main product in the cart. For the multiply logic to work with fixed quantity, customers don't have to multiply the main product quantity, just the upsells themselves. And optionally, you can set a limit number of discounted items to control the discount. If you set the limit to 1, only 1 item gets the discount, and it'll automatically apply to the most expensive one. Finally, choose your discount type, either a percentage or an amount off per product. If you're selling in many Shopify markets, click Add Currency to set custom amounts per currency. Finally, the discount code section. By default, BOGOS auto-generates a code and shows it on the cart like this. But if you want a custom code name like Summer2026, just type it into the custom discount code field. And if you don't want this discount stacking with other promos, just untick order discounts or shipping discounts under the combination settings. After all, click Publish. And our offer is alive. Once you've published the offer, remember to style the widget to match your store. Head to Customize in the left sidebar, then Upsell, then Frequently Bought Together, and switch to the Product Add-On tab. From here, you can play around with the display, the text, and the colors. And that's it! You now know how to set up a product add-on upsell using BOGOS app. Go ahead and try it out. The free plan link is in the description. I'm Ruby, and I'll see you in the next video.